Hello guys. This is very precious moment. Welcome to Classic Techart channel. This is you can see as you see on my computer screen. This is very fantastic logo design. So ready here. This is very colorful. So no more talk, just start now here. So first of all, I needed to little bit smaller here. Yes, perfect. So I needed the corner side. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here, the corner side. What can I do like that exactly? So first of all, I need to get to the rectangle tool here. You see the rectangle tool. So I need to take here. This is some magic. As you can see, yes, this is the magic. Okay, I need to first of all check the color here. I needed to color and keep the stroke with color. Okay, so fantastic. So right here, I'm keeping here. So I needed to just copy here. Okay, now we're pressing D. Okay, you see five. One, two, three, four, five. So five, I select all the things. Again, I need by pressing order and keep it exactly like that. Okay, so again, I needed to copy and paste. Control D, 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 the file. Exactly, I have done it here. So I need to know what can I do. Just I needed to select all the things like that. Go to the Tribula tool, keep here, and it just put it here. Okay, I just copy and another to set here and keep here, drag from here. So, okay, there's magic. You can see how can I do this one. So I needed just to select this one. Okay, so first of all, I needed here and then get here, select this one. Okay, like that. You see, very fast. It will be fast, no problem. Okay, I need here, click here. I will go fast this one. Okay, again here. You see how can do it fast. No need too much time. Just take your time a little bit. Okay, just done. I need a pen here. Go to the shape builder tool. Just keep here all the things and like that. Oh, sorry, total done. Okay, you see, it's happening. So, what can I do? I just delete all the things now. Unnecessary things. I needed to delete all the unnecessary. So, delete all the things unnecessary. Where else? Okay, I just delete all the things. Okay, now is it clear? Okay, now just take the sound out to go to the sound, go gradient here, and go to the upper side here. Okay, select all the things and go here. Just to 7 and here 2 0, and I think here 1 0. That means 100. Okay, so I'm gonna keep in here. I now here made it here. I'm gonna keep in here just to which color? This color, I think. Okay, that's fine. Fantastic right here. So just easy. I'm not a thing. Well, now I just select this one and go to the white and black and go here. Go to the and draper tool. Here, keep here. You see exactly. No difference here. You see this one, same. Not any single difference. So difference you see the sun making this one bigger. You see same to same, just no difference. Same to same. So I just delete one and I'm keeping just created this logo design. So dear friends, how magic you see how magic this one. So thanks for watching.